In this brief tutorial, we will address the issue of the Google app malfunctioning on an Android phone. To begin, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the gear icon. Subsequently, navigate to the Apps section and search for the Google app. Once you are on the Google App Info page, scroll down slightly and tap on Storage. To clear any accumulated cache or data that may be causing problems, tap on Clear Data. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are certain about deleting this data. Tap Delete to confirm your choice. Clearing data removes any corrupted files or outdated information associated with your usage of the Google app. This process frequently resolves issues such as crashes or sluggish performance by providing a fresh start for the application. After completing these steps, open the Google app again. It should now function smoothly without the previous errors. If problems persist even after following these steps, consider checking for updates via the Play Store or restarting your device entirely as additional troubleshooting measures. This concludes our tutorial.